Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel ABCS Preparation Site. So guys, today I bring a courses for the high school student. The up to high school student can enroll for these courses because it is suitable for them, and for the college student also they can enroll in this course and they can study it. So there is no issue for them also, and these courses are totally available free with free certification, so no need to worry about paying the amount for these courses. By learning these courses you can build up your resume and skills so that it will be helpful for further. So now I'll tell you about this course and how to enroll for these courses and how you'll get the certificate for this course free, and these courses are available on Coursera. So now we'll move on to the website. Before that, if you're new to our channel, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will not miss the update of any upcoming videos. So now we'll move on to the website, and the link of this website I will share on the description part, so don't worry about it. See here the free courses for high school students, and this offer is available for December 31st only, up to 31st December. So when you're watching this video, fastly enroll in these courses and share this video to your friend circle so that they will also avail this offer and enjoy the study. So now I'll tell you that under which topic it covers the courses. First is passion related courses, that is big history. Next here guitar, introduction to philosophy, making architecture, and other courses are also here. Learning how to learn for youth, then getting started with music theory. Next fashion as design. Next big history, connecting knowledge. So these are the 8 courses under the passion category. So our next category is public health and personal well-being. These are related to the public health and personal well-being. The courses are disaster preparedness, epidemiology, the basic science of public health, introductory human physiology and the science of exercise, and other are the challenge of global health, demystifying mindfulness, the essential of global health, communication strategy. Next, our mind shift, breakthrough obstacle to learning and discovery, science matter, let's talk about COVID-19, the science of success, what researchers know you should, epidemic, pandemic and outbreaks. So these are the courses under public health. Now other courses are computer science. So under computer science, these are the courses. First, code yourself, an introduction to programming, algorithm part 1, build your first Android app, and C++ for C programmer part A, algorithm part 2, computer architecture, computer science, algorithm theory and machines, computer science programming with purpose. Now next category is math fundamentals. So our math courses are calculus, single variable part 1 function. Next is calculus single variable part 3 integration, and next is introduction to calculus. Now our next course are related to the science related, that is physics, chemistry. See here these 2 courses are chemistry course. Next is a physics, the science of solar system. Next how things work and introduction to physics. Next here astronomy, exploring time and space. Other one is chemistry, how things work and introduction to physics. Now other courses are college admissions related course. So how to apply for US university, that course is here. How to apply to college and writing in English at university and the science of success. So these are the courses under college admission. Next course is nature and the animal kingdom. So this course is related to the animals and their behavior, their interaction. See here dogs related, insect related, dinosaur related courses here, and the truth about cats and dog. So next course is learn a language. Some language courses are there. Chinese for beginner. Next one is first step Korean, and next one is tricky American English pronunciation. So these are the courses available for high school students, and college level student also enroll for this course. Now I'll tell you how you can enroll for this course and what are the things you have to be careful about while enrolling and qualify for the free certification. So for example, if I want to do this course, learning how to learn for youth, then I will click on it. After that, new page will be open. Wait for page loading. So after page loaded, this option will be shown. See here, pop up the Coursera together, enroll today and get this course for free. Wait for this to shown. After showing this, you will go to the enroll for free option, click on it. After that, you have to create your account. Just put your full name, email ID and create a password and just click for join for free option, and no need to do anything. If you are new to this website and if you are already enrolled in this website for other courses, then you can go to the login option, and I already have an account on this website, that's why I go to the login option. So click on the login option. After that, put your email ID and password and just click on the login option. Then see here, the promotion will be applied at checkout, that is 100% off. No need to pay a single amount. After that, click on continue. Then see here, it will show for checkout option. So go to the course option. So now it will show this option, an email confirmation has sent to you this email address, continue to learn how to learn for youth. So after that, you can click on the name here, then you will go to the my course option. Then it will be shown here, see the learning how to learn for youth. Then you can click on go to course option and enjoy the study. After completing this course, you will get the certificate, and see here the grade option. Achieve grade and complete the course content, then you will get the certificate. So guys, in this way you can enroll for each courses that are available and that you want to study and get the certificate for these courses. And if you like our video, please hit the like button and share this video to your friend circle and other group so that they will reach this course. And if you're new to our channel, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will not miss the update of any upcoming video. Till then, goodbye, take care and have a good day, and thank you so much for watching our video.